Let's now go to gua sha. Let's discuss methods. Methods of gua sha. With the scraper in hand, first use the scraper rim to smear the skin with scraping oil from bottom upward vertically and evenly. Then decide on the direction, time, force, speed, and techniques of the scraping according to the physique of the patient, the area for scraping, and the purpose of scraping. These elements exert a considerable influence on the effect of scraping. A good mastery of points of attention and techniques can enhance the effect of treatment or healthcare. Generally, scraping should center on the acupoint. The operator is supposed to move the scraper around within a range of 8 to 15 centimeters as the total length, a range larger than the related acupoint in principle. If the channel to be scraped is quite long, then it can be scraped in sections. There are no strict requirements for scraping order, and that the area scraped can be chosen as the case may be. In order to reduce the number of times of taking off and putting on clothes, the operator can start from the upper body to the lower part of the body, from the back and waist to chest and abdomen, from the torso to forelimbs. Besides, the appearance of shock and pain in the course of the scraping are normal, with no harm to the health. A good mastery of correct points of attention and techniques can reduce pain while maintaining the curative effect. Points of attention for the scraping are concretely introduced as follows. First, the scraping direction. Generally, scraping proceeds from top to bottom or from inside to outside, many times in the same direction. For example, start from top to bottom, then scraping the back, the abdomen, and the forelimbs. But from the bottom up, if the patient suffers from limb edema, varicosity, or visceral pitosis, start from the neck toward each side of the shoulder peak when scraping shoulders. Proceed from inside to outside when scraping the ribs and the face. Second, the scraping time. It is usually decided when the physique scraping area, state of illness, and the force applied in the scraping. Generally, it takes no more than 20 minutes each time, and the time should be shortened for weak patients as the case may be. The scraping time can be adjusted according to the speed and the number of times prolonged as the case may be if the speed of the scraping goes slow. The scraping of each area should stop when the pores open slightly or Sha appears. There will be inevitably be pain if the same area is scraped for too long time. If the pain becomes obvious, scraping should stop at once even if there is no appearance of Sha, and that the operator can turn to a different area. As we can see in the figure, the scraping of each area should stop when pores open slightly or shock appears. The interval of the scraping should be decided according to the physique of the patient and how well the patient has recovered. The criterion is that the partial skin has become normal and that fatigue and the sense of pain when touched have disappeared. Generally, the disappearance of SHA takes 5 to 7 days on average and 2 to 3 days as the quickest. The slowest will be about 2 weeks. The scraping force. Considerable pressure should always be kept in the course of the scraping so as to exert the force of the scraping into deep tissues to produce the curative effect. Only scraping the skin surface will not produce any curative effect and is likely to cause edema. However, it does not mean the greater the pressure is, the better the effect will be. Patients of different physique and state of illness should be dealt with as the case may be. If greater force for the scraping is required, the operator should gradually increase the force so that the patient can adapt himself or herself slowly to the force to reduce pain. the scraping speed. Each time, the speed for the scraping should be stable, and even with a constant speed, generally speaking, the quicker the scraping goes, the more painful the patient feels. The slower the scraping goes, the less painful the patient feels. Thank you for your attention.